Basic sight words for beginners. Hello everyone! Learning sight words has never been easy. Learning sight words can really help with young learners' reading fluency. It's a great way for their development. Now, are you ready to read? Don't be shy. Will, up, other, about, out, many, then, them, these, so, I want to hear you now. Let's continue. Some, her, new, make, like, him, into, went, has, look. Now you try. Another 10. Two. More. Right. Go. See. No. Over. Way. Read. Try. Now your turn. Nice try. Let's do it. My. Dan. Want. Wait. Bean. Call. Who. Let. None. Saw. Now let me hear you. Make it louder. Keep going. Last 10 more. Find. lot, lot. Day, day. Does, does. Did, did. Get, get. Come, come. Made, made. May, may. Big, big. Now get ready. You can do it. Good job! Thank you for participating, everyone. Check our description box below for the link of the first part of this video. Happy learning!